What is this? Oh, this won't do. Not at all. Yeah, that's better than the original for sure. Nature. Gotta love it. Hello everybody, it's Doc Remedy. Back with another, should I wrestle that? Here at big ass lake. See? Water. Can you catch a distance on all that? Look at that. But we're here at this lake. Where are we at? Pymatuning? Some weird places near Ohio. I felt so dirty when we were crossing the Ohio line and those bastard Ohioans tried to move the Welcome to Pennsylvania sign not on their line. It's trying to throw us off, think that Ohio has more property than they really deserve. One day, Ohio, you're gonna get fenced off and burned to the ground. Just wait for it. We got pigeons, or seagulls, whatever they are, some type of bird. They fly. I don't like them because they carry diseases, fungi, bird flu, just everything. They're birds. They're disgusting birds. They're not like respectable hawks or respectable eagles, like the bald eagle, the state bird, the national bird, the #1 white-headed, glorious symbol of America. So we're gonna take out some seagulls. Let's go. Now I've been trying to think what's the best way to take out seagulls sitting on a rail. And really the only thing I can think of is John Woo style. So I got my clotheslining arm ready. Alright, I think I pissed the birds off. Because now they're circling and swarming, plotting. Because they're like bears. They think they know everything, but they don't. They really don't. Nature's hiccup. Birds. I have my revenge!